Alright, back with you once again. I'm going to show you some quick drawings of some doors that I've done in pencil. As the first one here I've done, these shelves with mini doors in them. Now, they're like shelves to me. But if you turn the book sideways, there'll be drawers. So this is the first set of doors I've done. Second one I'm going to show you is this classic door right here of a house. Not a house, but it's like a picture of a door. We're done in pencil. You can see here with all the lines and all the little details I've added on. That's the second drawing. Way different from this first one. That right here. Sideways this way. And finally, show you a pattern of a door here. I was going to color them all, but I didn't get time to do it. So this is a pattern that I did of this door. Probably found in new homes that are built. So, those are my drawings for today. I'll show you more in a future video.